Welcome to Zippo Lion's Den. In this video I would like to show you this lighter. I've only seen one like this. I have not seen any others, so if you have one, please drop a little comment down below and let me know the history of how you got yours. I found mine on Facebook Marketplace and it is called number 229 Yellow Equal. And this one, I'm sure a lot of you recognize, is from the Human Equality Movement. Is blue matte finish with a yellow equal sign. This one is, if I can get it to focus better, not very good. There we go. An L 2003 regular chrome insert, which is weird though because this one came with the E 2010 insert. I'm not complaining. But like I said, I've only seen one of these Zippos, and it happens to be the one that I own. I don't know if they were made for a special event. I'm sure they weren't mass produced hardly. So, like I requested before, if you have one of these lighters, please drop a comment down below and let me know. I would like to learn how you got it, and if you know anything more about why they produced them, also leave a comment. I'm always willing to learn new things. Thank you very much, and have a good day.